I would just like to show you an outline of the entire unit, so could plan according. First thing we're going to be doing is photosynthesis. First part called light dependent reaction. So the same photosynthesis you took in IUCSE, we're going to take it a bit more details. So that's why we're going to have one part called light dependent and one part's called light independent reaction. Topic 2 is going to be ecology. Ecology is the study of environments. And we're going to split topic 2 into first, energy flow, meaning we're going to learn about food chains, how does energy flow in a food chain. Second is called sampling. Sampling is like a practical thing you do to study an environment. Third is succession. Probably never heard of it. It's a series of events that lead to change in an environment. Next comes global warming. You're familiar with this. And evolution. Next comes this topic called forensic biology. One of the nicest topics you'll study in this lesson. Forensic biology is how do you use your knowledge of biology to study crime scenes. Another topic underneath is called DNA profiling. You see, I've put this under forensic because you can nowadays use something called DNA fingerprint. You use your DNA to identify people, to identify criminals, to identify victims. Also quite interesting, immunity. Those who go into medicine, they will find this very, very useful in the future. With immunity, we're going to split into two as well. One is called non-specific. This is your natural defense systems, meaning your skin, your mucus, tears, everything you have in your body to protect you against disease. Specific is the ones where you use antibodies, use white blood cells. So we're going to do these in separate lessons. Finally comes microbiology. Microbiology is a branch of biology where you study little things. Mainly we're going to be studying here bacteria and viruses. So this is what Unit 4 is all about.